Welcome to Motor Maintenance. Today I'm going to show you what's going on in the upcoming episodes because I finally got my packages in. Well, let's just dive in. This is a door handle from Quadratech. Part number is right there for you. Comes in plastic film. And it's supposed to be pretty easy to replace from what I've seen, but we'll find out for sure. Okay, so the other thing I got in today is a set of quick disconnect Swaybar links from Skyjacker. That's the part number there. And these ones are made for a 2.5-inch lift, and I think stock to 2.5-inch, and then they have 3 up to 4 or 5. I can't remember specifically, but these are the ones that come with the disconnect pins at both ends, and they just come off like that. So I'm excited for that. Other things I have coming in is a set of extended brake hoses, front and rear, and I also have bump stops for the axles that are coming in, and I'm excited for that, and you'll see that when it comes along. But I just thought I'd give you guys a heads up and let you know what's coming in the next couple months here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the installs on this. Subscribe, and you'll be sure you won't miss it.